Re-reaction na natin to kasi nawala yung cool ni Alice Go eh. Nawala talaga.
Kanina nagtanong tayo kung lumaki ba si Ma'am Alice dito sa Pilipinas. I'd like to point out to this committee that even if we have been making our own researches, pulling up our own inquiries, this is another source from a completely different party.
Ito ha, pakinggan nyo ha.
Is unrelated to what we do. Pero nagkataon that the person named Xie Kailun, who si Xie Zhijiang trusted with the encrypted files, showed to Al Jazeera that there is a dossier confirming that there are Chinese spies all over, at least in this case, Myanmar, but here also in the Philippines, and undoubtedly shows Go Huaping. In the picture where she was born, even her mother, and the name of Lin Wenyi. Mr. Chair,
ako nakasubscribe again, Edward Lachica, good morning.
Kanina nagtanong tayo kung lumaki ba.
Ito, hindi naman pakalma. Nakita niyo yung mga reaction ni Go Huaping, wait lang.
Mr. Chair, again,
yung mga pangiti-ngiti ni Alice Go, nararamdaman na niya na konti na lang. Booking na ang Chinese spy.
We were told, kanina nagtanong tayo kung lumaki ba si Ma'am Alice dito sa Pilipinas, kung dito ba siya ipinanganak, kung Pilipino ba yung mga magulang niya. She first said na dito daw siya lumaki, which is false. Because paano malalaman or ma-identify ng mga tao doon mismo sa address sa Fujian na nakilala nila si Alice Go o Go Huaping as anak ni Lin Wenyi nung pinakita nila yung picture ni Go Huaping sa kanila. Number 2, tinanong natin kung saan ba siya ipinanganak. Nakita na nga. Doon mismo. She left daw late of 2002. Sabi pa ng mga tao na in-interview ng Al Jazeera doon mismo sa Fujian. And might we take note, Mr. Chair, na sa video, nung pinuntahan nila yung address na nakalagay sa dossier, sa encrypted dossier, is a local office ng Communist Party of China. So, Mr. Chair, I think this in itself speaks volumes na. No? Again, nakakainis na time and time again, dinideny ni Go Huaping lahat ng mga questions na tinatanong namin sa kanya. Okay. Again, let me ask. Go Huaping, kilala mo ba si Xie Zhijiang? Yes or no?
Your Honor, yung Xie Zhijiang na sinasabi niyo po, yan po ba yung pinakita niyo po kanina sa akin sa picture?
Correct.
Hindi ko po siya kilala. At sana po, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, makuha ko rin po yung details. Gusto ko po magdemanda. Hindi ko po sila kilala.
Mangdidemanda na! Dadaanin na sa pagdidemanda ni Alice Go yung mga taong nanglalaglag sa kanya ngayon. Eto na tayo. Mukhang mapunta na talaga tayo sa exciting part na kung saan malapit nang mabuking si Alice Go. It's either malapit na mabuking o aamin na si Alice Go. Laging isa dyan sa dalawa ang mangyayari. Isa dyan sa dalawang mangyayari. O unahan ni Alice Go ang pag-amin. Kasi yung isang Chinese spy na nahuli, mamaya ipi-play natin yon, umamin, nakilala niya si Go Huaping. So paano niya? Edward, tinan nyo, alas 8. Naku. May pasok ka ba, Edward? Sabado? Ito. Ano yun hinala mo, Jude?
Natin madidemanda Miss Alice dahil kasi he's in jail in Thailand. And the reason why he's speaking the truth now is because as he was saying that din in the video, although hindi lang pinakita dito, is that he is also being illegally detained daw, sabi niya. Kaya sa galit niya, he wants to speak also the truth out to the world. na iniipit na rin siya ng Chinese Ministry of State and Security. So, what does he have to lose? That's why nga sinabi nga niya sa inyo, Ms. Go Huaping, na tell the truth. Don't fall to the same mistakes that he has done. Kasi nga, he also fears for your life. Remember, nung Senate hearing, na you mentioned na you didn't want to name names because you feared for your life. And because of that, the Senate granted you security and asylum within the PNP's compound. Ngayon, na nag-executive session na kayo, sabi ng Senate na there was nothing to go about except for one name na hindi pa din namin alam.
Kaya nga.
But if we look at it, there is no doubt, kitang-kita na. Hindi na galing mismo dito sa Quadcom, pero in an international company that...
nakikita niyo ng reaction ni Alice Go. Nagpapakita na siya ng emosyon. Kasi masyadong malapit na to si Representative Almaro. Tama ba ako? Almaro to, di ba?
Rice, whose job is to search for the truth worldwide. So, Mr. Chair, I'd like to submit this video na this is confirmation.
Ito ang bidyong tinutukoy. Panoorin natin to, ha? Ito, magugulat kayo dito. Sa mga hindi pa nakapanood, ito na. Ito ang video. Nakita niyo sa picture? Nakikita niyo ang nasa picture kung sino? Comment down below kung nakikita niyo kung sino. Sino yan? Sino yang babaeng yan na nasa picture? Sige. Comment daw muna kayo bago natin tuloy. Yun. Sige. Click muna tayo. Halatang-halata po ang babaeng ito. Walang iba. Walang iba kung hindi si Alice Guamping.
Dossier about Guo Huaping or Alice Guo, former
Alice Guo!
fugitive and embattled ex-mayor of a small town in the Philippines. Now in police custody, Guo is being investigated for alleged ties to scam operations and money laundering. He's also accused of being a Chinese spy.
Ito yung isa pang Chinese spy na naglaglag na. Ay, Boss Red, good morning. Ito yung isang Chinese spy na naglaglag kay Alice Guo. Sabi niya, I use my mobile phone to speak to Go Huaping. Nababasa niyo naman, di ba? Nababasa niyo ba? I use mobile phone to speak to Go Huaping from the Philippines. Ay, Diyos ko, patay tayo dyan. Alice Guo. Binubuking ka na ng kapwa spy mo. Apakahina naman itong spy na to. Good morning, Ate Tamura. Good morning, Ate Angie. Good morning. Edward La Chica, huli na! Malapit na makulong! Ay, kulong rin pala. Kulong na rin pala,
Xia says Guo once asked him to help fund her political campaign.
Nagpatulong nagpatulong magpa-funds sa political campaign niya. Pero hindi niya binigyan. Hindi daw niya binigyan.
Guo has repeatedly insisted she was born in the Philippines, a prerequisite for office holders in the country. But Xia's dossier lists China as her place of birth.
Place of birth talaga po ni Alice Guo is China. Kahit anong gawin ni Alice Guo, pag-deny, booking na place of birth po ay China. China po!
Guo had previously claimed she's the daughter of a Filipino woman. But according to this document, her mother is a Chinese citizen called Lin Wenyi. The dossier also lists a family address in China's Fujian province. This is what our researcher finds when he visits the local office of the Chinese Communist Party. At a nearby village, residents shown photographs of Guo recognize her as the daughter of Lin Wenyi, the same name that appears in Xia's dossier. They say Guo was born here and only moved away towards the end of...
Dito po pinanganak si Alice Guo. Good morning po, Roxy. Ate Glorifina Montefalco, ganda ng apelyido. Good morning po, good morning. Shout out po sa inyo lahat. Ito po, dito pinanganak si Alice Go. Dito po pinanganak si Alice Go. Kaya unti-unti na po siyang tawag dyan, nawawala na yung cool niya, yung kanyang demeanor.
2002. Sure says he has a message for the former mayor.
Andali, may message siya. Guwaping. China cannot be trusted. Two of us once dedicated our lives to China's Ministry of State Security. Look at what happened to me. If you don't want to be eliminated, you should tell the world the truth. Eto na po. Eto na po yung sinasabi na talagang international ang kalaban ni Alice Go. Pwede po siyang pabagsakin ng mga taong ito. Kaya sinasabi nito na kapwa niya spy na umaamin na siya habang nasa spotlight si Alice Go. Para kung ano man na mangyari sa kanya, alam na kung sino ang tao sa likod kung bakit nagkaroon ng spy na kagaya ni Alice.
China's Ministry of State Security did not respond to our request.
Diba? Balik tayo. Kaya si Alice Go, talagang kinakabahan na po. Napuyod ka rin, Ate Eva. Puyod tayo lahat. Ano na yun? Pawan na ata yun. Pawan o'clock na yun. Pasado. Sabi ni Ate Tamura, patawa nga si Alice. Ang sagot niya, hindi raw niya kilala. Yan, magdidemanda raw siya sa kalalaki na yan. Di ba? Didemandahan daw niya yan. Ito na. Ayun ang patunay. Na nilaglag na siya ng kapwa niya spy. Nakadetain din yun.
That what we've been trying to unearth here, marami na din dyan na nakikita din that corroborates not from us but from other parties as well. Which also means that this Quadcom should also be the avenue for which other people should also go to us to reveal more of the truth kasi kailangan din natin yung kompletong katotohanan. Which is why this is an open call to action, Mr. Chair. Sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng Quad Committee meetings natin, na kung may alam kayo, lalo na nakakatulong ito sa pagtingin, sa pagkuha ng katotohanan, please come forward. Kasi this is national security also at stake.
Yes.
She's been denying na may kilala siya, na ultimo, sinasabi niya na ilang beses na siya tinawagan para humingi ng campaign funds. Kung hindi niya alam yun, or if he was saying, if it wasn't even in the same timeline, then he wouldn't have said that. Diba? Timing. Elections natin, doon din siya, tumakbo din siya.
Ayun na.
It all adds up. It all lines up. So, Mr. Chair, I'd like to submit this video
si Alice Go.
And I hope na people really try this time na mas marami pa na will come forward to speak truth to this matter. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
So, ito. Wala kang kilala dito.
Sa tatlo po, ni isa po wala po akong kakilala, Your Honor.
So, ito.
Ate Maylene, good morning.
Si Zhang, when he was saying, Mr. Chair, na dito siya na-recruit sa Pilipinas as a spy. Baka iisa lang pala ang nagre-recruit sa kanila. Hindi natin alam, no? And again, babalik natin doon sa picture na pinakita sa video. Yung next slide, please. And again, you confirm this is not you, Miss Alice Go.
Your Honor, hindi po ako yan.
Ha? Oh my goodness, dininay pa rin niya yan? Diyos ko! Ito na, naman Ate Maylene, ka pa ba? Tira na to, Ano na nangyayari dito? Ano na ang nangyayari dito? Dinay pa rin niya. Kitang-kita naman sa pagmumukha na yan. Ano yung kambal? Kakambal ba?
Gago!
Ano nangyayari, Alice ko?
Magaling kang kupal ka.
Ay, Diyos ko.
Gunggong!
Barinig kita sa mukha eh.
Galit na sa'yo si Babalo. Nagsisinungaling ka pa rin. Umamin na kasi kayo. Ay, nako.
This is not you. Okay. Ang katanungan ko, Miss God, because you're saying that hindi mo kilala at didemanda mo. Ano naman mabe-benefit din nitong si Sheji Zhang? To name
sige,
you?
Explain.
Your Honor, I think it's better for you to ask him.
Wow.
Kasi siya po yung naglabas ng video. So siya po nakakaalam ano yung makakapag-benefit po sa kanya. Definitely.
Ala! Galit na! Si Guwamping! Galit na po si Guwamping. Ano ang mangyayari? Nawawala na po ang cool. Nawawala na po ang cool. Nagsisimula na po lumabas ang tunay na pagkatao ni Alice Go. Diyos ko, ito na tayo.
Definitely, hindi pa ako spy.
Hala.
Okay. Relax ka lang. Bakit ka galit?
Kasi
Bakit ka galit?
Ganun din po yung nangyari last time. Sinasabi po nila spy ako. Mahal ko pong Pilipinas, Filipino po ako, hindi po ako spy.
Okay, relax lang. Relax ka lang. Diba? You don't have to be so riled up if you know the truth. Right? So, you categorically will keep denying what Sheji Zhang is saying. Right? He mentions na pinanganak ka sa Fujian, China. And na nanay mo si Lin Wenyi. Correct?
Allegations po niya yun, Your Honor.
And who is Lin Wenyi?
We get it. You don't really want your kids watching videos, but it can...
Your Honor, Lin Wenyi is the partner of my father. And about my citizenship naman po, I think there is already
I'm not asking
court
anything about your
na po.
citizenship. I'm just asking who Lin Wenyi is. Pinapangunahan mo ako sa mga questions ko. Hindi ko naman tinatanong. Masyado kang defensive. You know, mga actuations mo, medyo, it's showing something, Miss Guo. So, itong address mo na pinakita, pakita natin yung picture ulit. Yung address nito, Mr. Chair, is apparently the local address of the Chinese Communist Party. Sigurado ka, hindi mo nami-miss to? Walang memories?
Never ko po nakita, Your Honor.
Baka lang, may emotional ka ngayon eh. Baka lumabas ang emotions mo dito.
Your Honor, emotional po ako dahil unfair po para sa akin, para sabihan po ako na spy po ako.
Okay, I'm asking about your house now. So, ito,
Your Honor, that's not my house.
Okay, this is in Fujian. Balik lang natin sa last hearing na meron pinakita si Congresswoman Luistro, no? Yung nagko-congratulate yung people of Fujian sa kanya. So, kung hindi ka taga dito, At mukhang taga dito naman yung sinasabi nilang bahay nila. Bakit naman din? Pakita nga natin ulit. I think we have that, no? That the people of Fujian was congratulating the first mayor na naging mayor dito. Yan. We have a translator here. Do you understand what is written?
Yes, this is like congratulating for winning as the mayor. Okay, and then these are the people who prepared this congratulatory page.
Those are the people, yung mga pangalan.
Below, yes po.
Baka kunin natin, Mr. Chair, yung mga pangalan na yan.
Yeah, can you please post it again? Yan. Oh. Sino-sino yan?
It is from Xinjiang, Jinjing Shen.
Jinjing.
It's an association of the hometown. It's in Jinjing Shen.
Which is in Fujian, I think.
Yes, it is.
Which is basically where what we saw in this video, Mr. Chair, kung saan talaga sinasabing galing ang si Miss Alice Guo.
Huli ka na. Umamin ka na.
And then itong si Lin Wenyi na tinatanggi naman po ni Miss Alice Guo na hindi mo nanay, no? Which later on, nakakalungkot if she really is your mother. You're denying ties to your mother. Sinabi din sa documentary, Mr. Chair, na umalis nga daw siya, sabi ng mga residente doon, na umalis siya towards the end of 2002. From the previous hearings, we have a copy of the special investor resident visa. Yung next slide, please. Yan.